Here we have Ernesto from Home Closet Organizers. Ernesto, you want to tell us about the job here?
These are adjustable. It comes with multiple holes where you can adjust it up and down. You can pop up the rod pretty easy. So you just pop it up like that and then put it wherever you want in the adjustable system. You can always add to the system. It doesn't have to stay like this. You can always add extra shelves. The drawers are very heavy duty. They're 100-pound sliders. We have here a different color, but you can always choose any type of color you want.
What is this material we're using here?
It's called American laminates. It's all industrial grade. We buy it in 4x8s and we go by what the design is. It's really good. It's very heavy. It's durable for all the hardware we use. The reason why we use it is that there's no hollow inside the material. Everything is completely full. It's pine cord inside, so it's very, very heavy duty. I recommend it to anybody that wants to update.
When I first found you guys on Yelp, I noticed that everything you had pictured there was white. Is that the majority of your work is done in white?
A lot of people want to budget themselves, so it's more based on how much they want to spend. Yes, the question is yes, the materials that they use, they want to go with the white products.
Okay.
Because of the budget. It doesn't change the product. The product is the same. It's just different colors.
By the way, what is the name of this color material?
This is the cognac color. What this does is the valet rod. You can pull it out and you can choose your clothes by having your shirts and pants hanging at the same time. He has two here, so you can use one for the pants and one for the shirt. So, so that way it's easy for you. So the tie rack, it pulls out so that when you hang your clothes going here, so it's able to pull out and you're able to see what tie you want to wear. On the belt rack, same thing, pull it out.
Very good. Also, I noticed that the shelves you guys put back here are adjustable.
Oh yeah, so the adjustable system, like I said, this whole entire closet is fully adjustable. All you have to do is just pull this out. You can actually take it off whenever you want. Then you can count the holes. You can say, I want to bring it up higher. So you can say, I normally count by 3, so I'll go 1, 2, 3. You can put the shelf pen. It's really easy to use, so you can put it wherever you want. So yeah, that is a good system to use. So you put it back. I always use it like, when I put it back, I tilt it to where it goes in place. Because if you try to put it like this, sometimes you struggle. So I always tilt it and put it like that.
Utilize every inch of this closet here. This is roughly about 9.5 by, I think, close to 8. And they put shelves all the way around.
So we leave it away from the ceiling to be able to store like shoe boxes up on the top. We try our best to get the longer piece on the top. So that's why it's a little bit away from the ceiling. But the standard height on this closet is about 7 feet. So 7 feet gives you the ability to hang shirts at the top and pants on the bottom. And if you decide to fold them, you can honestly have a little bit of extra space at the bottom. And later in the future, if you want to order another shelf or so you can use that bottom part for shoes. A lot of people like hanging the long way. So
okay, is this standard? Because I've noticed these are 16-inch deep.
These are 16 inches deep. It's standard for a walk-in closet like this one. You don't want to go deeper than that, because if you go, let's say you go 24 inches deep, you're just minimizing your walk space. So if you go 16 inches deep and you got your 12-inch board here, so you're able to walk in and you're able to choose your clothes however you want. So the purpose of this is that you can honestly see the shirt on the outside of the drawer section. So you can just decide what you want. Oh, I'm sorry, the shirt goes on the top. Pants, it'll roughly stick out to this much.
Excellent. And your install here took what, half a day? What, 6 hours, 5 hours?
Yeah, about 5 hours.
Where are you guys located?
We're located in the city of Hawthorne, California.
From the time I placed the order to the time you guys installed it, we're looking at roughly 2 to 2.5 weeks. Is that correct?
That is correct. This product does take 2 weeks because we have to order the material first, get it out to the shop. So it takes roughly about 2 to 3 business days to be able to get all these products in, and then we start prepping, cutting the wood, the 4x8s, getting them all to length, and then we start boring them and edge banding them, making sure everything is properly to its proper size.
I would definitely recommend you to my friends and family. You guys did an excellent job cleaning up after. Everything was nicely wiped down, vacuumed. No complaints whatsoever. Here, they finished their install. I'm very pleased with their work. Nice drawers. The belt racks, and up above we have the racks for the ties, and we I guess they call it the valley pole. Very nice. It's nice and sturdy. And we got a 360 shelf all the way around. Utilize it for our shoes, what have you.